Hey guys, I'm in my way to go home, but felt so tired, so I'm having rest here. So I will show you in this video what I got in my bag. So the first thing I have is some lecture because I'm having driving lessons, and next I have this case of legal documents and some pictures. Next I have this wallet, and lastly I have this glass. I forgot that I have also these tramway tickets, and that's it.